Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL NxtPaper 70 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, we need to enter the wallpaper section, and in this device we can do it really quickly. All you need to do is to tap and hold on the home screen, and as you can see here at the top we've got this wallpaper and style, so just tap on it. Here we've got the preview of the lock screen and the home screen, and under it we've got this wallpapers option, so just tap on it. And we've been transferred to different albums from which you can choose the wallpaper from. So your photos or my photos, basically your own gallery, historical wallpaper, in my case this option, this section is empty, and different albums from which you can choose the pre-installed wallpapers like Paper Mark, the Art Charm, Black Gold and Flower Tail. So all you need to do, of course, is to tap on the wallpaper that you'd like to apply. Let me choose this one, and obviously it will be immediately applied on the home screen, so you can check the preview. You can blur the wallpaper. However, this blur option does not have the switcher for the intensity, so we cannot really control how much blurred the image will be. It depends whether you like that kind of effect or not. I think I will stick with none. And another thing that is quite cool here is that you do not have to get back to the previous section if you're not the biggest fan of this wallpaper. You do not really have to choose it again, because all you need to do to check all of the wallpapers in a specific album is to swipe it up or down. So as you can see, you can just check which option will be the best for you from this specific album. I think I'll pick this one. So if you're happy, let me show you blurred. No, let me show you how to set it. All you need to do is to tap on apply in the right upper corner, and now you can decide where you want to set it, so as a home screen, lock screen, or both. And I will choose both options, so let me tap on it. And as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully, and in my case, because that was my choice, it is also applied on the lock screen. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.